Okay, now we are testing phase. Test vendor invoice. Okay, post vendor invoice in single screen. So the T code is FB60. So what is the T code? FB60. So it's end user activity. So accounting, financial accounting, accounts payable, document entry, FB60 invoice. So supplier. So we are posting in domestic vendor. So we need to search for better filters, giving some details. Okay. So country India, city Hyderabad. Okay. What is the domestic vendor? Ramo. Okay. This is the supplier number. Invoice date today 9th September, 9th March. Amount we will give as 1 lakh. Okay. What is the entry vendor for vendor invoice? So, we have created contractor fee. Okay. So debit contractor fee account, credit Ramo Private Limited. So that's the entry. Debit contractor fee, credit Ramo Private Limited. We need to give contractor fee. So what is the GL for contractor fee? So 4 lakh for 40,000 one is the contractor fee. We no need to give vendor GL because we have given supplier number here. Okay. That's why reference invoice posting. Invoice posting. So here the number in 19 is missing. We need to create 19 number range. What is the T code? FBN1. So our company JK10 intervals. Which one missing? 19. 19. So number is 19. Created. Enter. Account forward requires an account assignment to cost accounting. Okay. Now we need to enter cost center. Because it is a costing gel, we need to enter cost center. What is our cost center? JKFC. So JKFC is our cost center. Now okay. Here we have given supplier number and GL account number with cost center. So we need to give amount 1 lakh. Okay. So this is the MB60. Now simulate the entry contractor fee 40, posting key 40. That means debit contractor fee, vendor 31 credit invoice Ramu Private Limited, posting key 31. Okay, created. So debit 1 lakh, credit 1 lakh. Okay, save. So document number created. So this is the document posted. Okay. So this is the general ledger view. Okay. 0L. Other ledger J4. Okay, successfully tested. That means all our configuration are good. Okay. Okay. Now we will test vendor payment F-53. Okay. Previously we have posted one vendor invoice with 1 lakh rupees. Now we make partial payment of 75,000 rupees. We make partial payment of 75,000 rupees. The T code is F-53. So for vendor payment, the T code is F-53. So it also same SAP menu, accounting, financial accounting, accounts payable, document entry. So it's a outgoing payment. Okay. In document entry, it's a outgoing payment. So what is the T code? F-53. So document date, today date. Okay. Reference vendor payment. So account. So we are making cash payment. So cash account GL. Now we are paying 75,000 out of 1 lakh rupees. Okay. Next, open item selection. So which is open item here? Vendor account number. Country India. Why I am giving these details? Because if we search this, number of details will come. That's why I am giving filter account. So country India, city Hyderabad. So Ramo is our vendor. It's account type K. Okay. We have given type AZ vendor payment, document date, posting date, reference, account. It's a bank data. That means we have not maintained any bank. Now we are creating cash account. So amount 75,000 given open item. It means a vendor. Company code currency INR. Process open items. In company code JK10, the number range 15 is missing. Now we have to create for 2025 number range 15. What is the T code for number range FBN1? Company code JK10 number range 15 for 2025. Because our financial year starts from 1st April 2025 to 31st March 2026. Okay. Now, okay. So we are making partial payment. So this is the total invoice amount 1 lakh. Select partial payment. Here enter 75,000. 75,000. Okay. So amount entered 75,000. Assigned also 75,000. Okay. Document simulate. Okay. So the entry Ramu Private Limited, debited, cash account, credited 50. Okay. So the entry is correct. Post. The entry was posted. Cash account. So Ramu Private Limited debited posting key 25. So created 50 cash account. General ledger view. Okay. The entry posted. That means there is no error. We have configured correctly. Next, now we will test vendor credit memo. The T code FB65. That means returns. In general term, purchase returns. Okay. So FB65 vendor credit memo. Okay. Remember vendor credit memo FB65 the T code. So previously we have posted 1 lakh vendor invoice, and in that amount vendor payment made 75,000 rupees. Now we make credit memo for remaining 25,000 rupees. Okay. So the path is same. SAP menu, accounting, financial accounting, accounts payable, document entry, in document entry, credit memo. So FB65. So FB65. This is the FB65 credit memo. Okay. Supplier. So we can search country India, city Hyderabad. Okay. Ramo Private Limited. So this is supplier name, document date, today date, amount we are giving 25,000. Okay. So reversal entry. Previously in invoice we have debited contractor fee. Now we will credit. Okay. Credit. What is the amount? 25,000. We have to give cost center. So what is our cost center? JKFC. Okay. So reference. So it's a vendor credit memo. Credit. Okay. Simulate. So number range 17 is missing. FBN1, JK10 intervals. Number is 17 for 2025. Okay. Number is 17 created. Enter. So the entry debit Ramu Private Limited, credit contractor fee. It's a credit memo. Okay. But also correct. That's why our configuration is good. Post document display. So entry posted debit posting key 21 Ramu Private Limited, credit 50 contractor fee. So it a reversal entry for 25,000 rupees. Okay. In invoice we have debited contract fee, created Ramu Private Limited. It's a credit memo. That means reversed. Okay. Now we will check vendor line item report FBL1N. Okay. Vendor line item report. The path is SAP menu, accounting, financial accounting, accounts payable. In that account, in accounts payable account, the T code is FBL1N. So display or change line items, FBL1N. So vendor account. So what is our vendor account? So Ramo Private Limited. So this is our vendor account. We will select all items. Okay. Execute. So we have posted 3 documents. So this is for KJ 75,000. That means vendor invoice. So KG 25,000. That means credit memo. So KR, this is vendor invoice. So KZ payment, vendor payment. KR vendor invoice 1 lakh. So that vendor invoice 1 lakh credited. Okay. KZ vendor payment 75,000 debited. KG credit memo, it also debited 25,000. So now the balance is 0. Okay. Our configuration is good. All are accurate. So testing, invoice, payment, credit memo, successful. Now we will test vendor invoice posting in double screen. The T code F-43. So the path is same. SAP menu, accounting, financial accounting, accounts payable, document entry. So F-43 invoice. Okay. Document date. Reference invoice posting. Type period, company code, and posting key credit, country, India, city, Hyderabad. Now we will take Somu Private Limited, service vendor. Okay. Enter. So amount. So we will take 2 lakhs now. Okay. Do you remember what we have to give in now? So it is a supplier account. For supplier account, this is the GL account. That means it's a reconciliation account. We have created vendor reconciliation account there. For service vendor, this is the number. Okay. You can see in FS00 Sunday creditors. For service vendor, 1,40,003 is the service vendor GL. Reconciliation GL. Okay. This is the reconciliation GL for service vendor. Next, vendor invoice. Next, 40 debit contractor fee, enter. So to give same amount, star. To give same text, plus. Okay. So debit item is a cost related. That means we need to enter cost center. JKFC is our cost center. So document simulate. So debit contractor fee, credit Somo Private Limited. The entry is correct. Simulate general ledger. So debit contractor fee, credit service vendor account. So debit 2 lakhs, credit 2 lakhs. So profit center updated for both line items. So our entry is accurate. Okay. Testing successful. Simulate general ledger. Expert mode. Here also there is no errors. Okay. In expert mode also there is no errors. Now post. Okay. In the document posted. Okay. Testing completed. Okay. Now we will test vendor payment in F-53. So that means previously we have made vendor invoice 2 lakhs rupees. Now we have made payment for that amount. Okay. So the path is same. SAP menu, accounting, financial accounting, accounts payable, document entry. So in document entry, outgoing payment. In document entry, it's a outgoing payment. So it's a F-53, this one. So document date, reference, it's a vendor payment. Okay. Amount. So account, we will use cash account. Amount 2 lakhs. That means we are paying total amount. So open item, that means the vendor account. We have taken service vendor. Somo, Somo Private Limited. Okay. Process open items. Now we are giving full payment. Okay. Full payment. So amount entered 2 lakhs, assigned 2 lakhs. Document simulate. So debit Somo Private Limited 2 lakhs, credit cash account 2 lakhs. Okay. Save. Okay. The document posted. The document posted. Okay. Our testing is completed. Okay. Now we will check for vendor line item report in FBL1N. Okay. Path is same. Accounting, financial accounting, accounts payable. In accounts payable, account, in account, change or display or change line items. MBL1N. So vendor account, say service vendor Somo Private Limited. This is the supplier number, all items, execute. So previously we have made vendor invoice for 2 lakhs, okay, credited, and also vendor payment KZ 2 lakhs debited, okay. So now there is no outstanding balance in the supplier. So our vendor completed. So testing completed. All the configuration are successful.